are going to study relationship between zeros and coefficients of the polynomial. Now, example, find the zeros of the polynomial x square plus 7x plus 10 and verify the relationship between the zeros and the coefficients. For that, first we need to find out the zeros of the given polynomial. Solution. Let p of x be the given polynomial, that is p of x is equal to x square plus 7x plus 10. Now how to find the zeros of this polynomial? Zeros means the values of x. Here we are going to get two values for x because it is quadratic polynomial. So I need two numbers. How to split this? Let us get the zeros by splitting the middle term. So how to proceed for this? Write down 10 here. I need to find two numbers whose multiplication should be 10, and when I add them, the sum should be 7. So I get two numbers like 5 and 2. 5 2s are 10 and 5 plus 2 is 7. So like this we need to get the split the middle term, get the numbers integers. Now I write this as x square plus 5x plus 2x instead of 7x, 5x plus 2x. From where I got this 5 and 2? By splitting like this. Plus 10 as it is. First one and last one you need to write as it is, and middle one you need to split. Now group them like this. So I can take x common from this. X plus 5 remained in the bracket, plus I can take 2 common from this. X plus 5 remained in the bracket. Now again from both x plus 5 is common, write in one bracket. Whatever is remained, keep in another bracket, that is x plus 2. Now x plus 5 is equal to 0. I need to equate each term to 0 to get the value of x. X is equal to 5 and x plus 2 is equal to 0. That means x is equal to minus 2. Therefore, minus 5 and minus 2 are zeros of p of x. Zeros of p of x, that is x square plus 7x plus 10. We call this as alpha and this as beta. That is alpha is equal to minus 5, beta is equal to minus 2. So what we have done here? We got the zeros of the polynomial. Now we are going to study what is the relationship between these zeros and the coefficient of the polynomial. Here coefficient of x square is 1, coefficient of x is 7, coefficient, the constant term is 10. If I write it as ax square plus bx plus c, now a is 1 here, a is 1 and b is 7, b is 7. Now let us verify the relationship. So what I do, alpha plus beta, I do alpha plus beta. The relationship is minus b by a. Let us verify. Alpha plus beta is minus b by a. How much is alpha? Minus 5. Write plus as it is. How much is beta? Minus 2. Now minus you write as it is. B is what? B is 7. Write 7. And A is what? 1. So this we will get minus 5 plus into minus 2 is equal to minus 7 by 1 is nothing but minus 7. Now minus 7 is equal to minus 7. Like this verified. Hence we have verified that alpha plus beta, that is sum of the zeros, is equal to minus of coefficient of x divided by the coefficient of x square. What is the relation here? Sum of zeros is equal to minus coefficient of x square divided by coefficient of x. This is the relationship. So one more relationship, that is product of zeros. So what I get here, product of zeros, that is alpha beta is equal to C by A. So what is alpha? Alpha is minus 5. What is beta? Beta is minus 2. How much is C? C is 10 and A is 1. Minus into minus plus 10, 5 2s are 10, 10 by 1 is 10. So what is the relationship here? Product of the zeros. Product of zeros is equal to constant term divided by coefficient of x square. So this is the relationship. Constant term divided by coefficient of x square. So we'll prove it like this.